Hi everybody, welcome to this Wall Street News. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, the number of Americans claiming unemployment benefits fell from 221,000 to 217,000 in the week ending November 9th. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported Thursday that the Producer Price Index for final demand increased 2.4% in October over the past 12 months, slightly higher than expectations. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell said on Thursday, quote, "The economy is not sending any signals that we need to be in a hurry to lower rates," unquote. According to the CME FedWatch Tool, traders are pricing in a 58.9% chance for 25 basis point cut in the FOMC meeting in December. 10-year Treasury yield is hovering around 4.46%. For the U.S. stocks, S&P 500 fell 0.6%, and the Nasdaq Composite lost 0.64% Thursday. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, the number of Americans claiming unemployment benefits fell from 221,000 to 217,000 in the week ending November 9th. In addition, the number of Americans receiving benefits after an initial week of aid also decreased 1,884,000 to 1,873,000 in the week ending November 2nd. The number of the initial jobless claims peaked at 260,000 in the week ending October 5th. Then it dropped to 217,000 last week, the lowest level since May 2024. The number of the continuing jobless claims topped 1.89 million in the week ending October 12th. Then it fell to 1.87 million in the week ending November 2nd. When it comes to the labor market, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell said on Thursday, quote, "The labor market remains in solid conditions, having cooled off from the significantly overheated conditions of a couple of years ago," unquote. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported Thursday that the Producer Price Index for final demand increased 2.4% in October on a yearly basis, slightly higher than expectations of a 2.3% increase, and moved up 0.2% from a month ago. Prices for final demand goods rose 0.1% and prices for final demand services increased 0.3% in October. On the inflation numbers, Jerome Powell said, quote, "Estimates based on the Consumer Price Index and other data released this week indicate that total PCE prices rose 2.3% over the 12 months ending in October, and that core PCE prices rose 2.8%. He added, quote, "Inflation is running much closer to a 2% longer run goal, but it is not there yet. We are committed to finishing the job." He also talked about the monetary policy, saying, quote, "The economy is not sending any signals that we need to be in a hurry to lower rates. The strength we are currently seeing in the economy gives us the ability to approach our decisions carefully," unquote. After Jerome Powell's remarks, according to the CME FedWatch Tool, traders are pricing in a 58.9% chance to reduce 25 basis points of the federal funds rate down from 82.8% on November 13th, and a 41.1% chance to remain at the same rate in the FOMC meeting in December. 10-year Treasury yield moved up on the higher than expected wholesale inflation numbers and the lower than expected initial jobless claims. Then it decreased as oil prices fell, but it rose again as Jerome Powell said, quote, "The economy is not sending any signals that we need to be in a hurry to lower rates." For the US stocks, S&P 500 fell 0.6% and the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 0.47%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq dropped 0.64%. Okay, this is the end of today's news. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend.